Jackson with Worldwide RV, and welcome to episode 3 of Jayco for You. In the past 2 episodes, we've gone over smaller Jay Flights, but we're about to upgrade. We've gone over some smaller travel trailers, but I'm about to show you Jayco's quality on a larger scale with the 324 BDS. As we walk into this well-appointed coach, we see this wonderful living space, complete with many sleeping options, including this sleeper sofa and this U-shaped dinette. On the front end, we got this private bedroom, an AC up here, and a walk-around queen bed. Walk on back, we have a full kitchen opposing your living space. Our plan features a mid-bath with its own exterior door. My favorite part about this coach is this amazing bunk room. Dad's gonna love the outdoor kitchen. All of this with the Jayco quality we love.